Hi, good day everyone. I want to share with you my achievement, runner-up, mixed doubles at Millionaires Tennis Club. So yun guys, it's very hard and it's very challenging yung aming nakalaban kasi it's 75 years old guy and veterans woman ang aming nakalaban. At nakapasok kami sa runner-up. Thank you guys. And ito naman is semi-finalist in Olivares Tennis Club, Parañaque. At ito naman is one-day tournament. At napakahirap din ang dinanis namin dito. Bugbugan to the max. And nakalusot lang kami para mapunta sa semi-finalists. And thank you sa aking partner at pinag-usayan niya mabuti. Ganun din as well as sa Millionaires Tennis Club. Yun naman, almost 2 months na every week nagmi-meet para ituloy yung laban. Minsan may araw pa na pag umulan, cancel, mag-aantay na naman ng a week. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell for more updates. Thank you guys. God bless.